Hey everyone, it's Jen, Chappy Plans, RongRon's community manager. Today, we are really stoked to share this All the Jingle Ladies limited edition holiday box. So if you would like to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us for today's video where we're going to share all of the goodies inside this limited edition holiday box. But first, let's just talk about the quality and the gorgeous illustrations on this box. You have these beautiful RongRon girls and the jewel tones. It's just stunning. So opening it up, it's too big to, it's gonna hit the camera, so I'm gonna turn it to the side. I already unboxed this for my own channel, so I've already taken everything out of the packaging, which is good because that saves us some time. But of course, you're gonna get your 12 sticker sheet holiday cheer planner sticker pack. This beautiful acrylic keychain with this lovely RongRon doll, and I love the hollow backing. That's such a nice touch with this gold hardware. Santa's favorite pen. This is an amazing quality pen. It has gorgeous rose gold detail, and then the barrel has some rose gold. When you get yours, I already took mine off for my video, you'll have the little wax piece to protect the end of your pen from getting ink everywhere, but it is amazing. It writes extremely smooth. Just to test out for you, I will use, so you get 11 sticky notes. They're really great quality paper, and what I love about these is not only are they functional, but you can also use them as stickers in your planner. So just to test this out, let's see, get this box. It writes really nicely. It's smooth. The pen isn't like so heavy that it's annoying. It's just, it feels good in my hands. It's a good weight. And if you can see, it writes really smoothly. It's a black gel pen. So yeah, 11 of these. You have do now, self-care, shopping list, remember, a couple decorative ones, flags, and then of course these are a little bit bigger for writing on, but like I said, just put some glue or tape on the back and these instantly become stickers for your planner. So I love that for all of your holiday to-dos and tasks. You get 25 sheets of this really high quality filler paper. It says Jingle all the way with 4 of the gorgeous girls at the bottom. It is dot lined with this snow speckle down the spine and dotted lined on the back as well. So it's 25 sheets, plenty of paper for all of your holiday plans and list making. Speaking of plans, I love that RongRon gives us this very functional magnet for our refrigerators. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You just put it right on your fridge and you can put your, weekly menu, what you're having for dinner, and any goodies or items that you might need to pick up while you're at the grocery store as you run out of your food items. So this is a whole huge magnet. It's going to stick right to your fridge. It came with this dry erase pen with the eraser. There's a little tiny magnet on it so it can stay on your menu. And then you're going to get 2 gorgeous washi with gold foil details. So the first one is pink and it has all the Jingle ladies are on the washi. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Jingle ladies. You could even trim these out individually if you just wanted to use them as like a smaller sticker. And the gold dots are gorgeous. They look like confetti, matches the sticker pack and the entire box. This one is amazing. It's purple with gold foil at the bottom, and it has different sayings. So it says believe, joy, and season's greetings. And it has an ornament that says 'tis the season, a snow globe, your Starbucks red cup, a hat, a sweater, a little house, a Christmas tree, and some presents. And then another Christmas tree, champagne, and a Christmas cactus, because who doesn't love a Christmas cactus? Okay, so these are amazing. And last but certainly not least is this gorgeous cover that RongRon designed with the gold hollow that says all the Jingle ladies. Again, you have 4 of your ladies on the front. This would be the front cover. This would be the back cover. You have this gorgeous girl, and the inside is just as gorgeous in my opinion. So you have these beautiful presents. So fun. And you can definitely reverse this and use it so that this is the front cover and this is the back cover, and then this would just be, you know, the inside if that doesn't bother you. It's an option for you. So this is going to be fun. That's definitely going to be my holiday planner. So this is everything you get. You get the 12-page sticker pack, 12 pages. And I will do a separate video of a flip through of this and a plan with me, so you'll have to stay tuned for that video. And then you're going to get your classic sized disc bound cover and front and back. Very, very thick, by the way. Extremely sturdy. The corners are rounded, so this is going to be last you quite a while. You're going to get Santa's favorite pen, this acrylic holographic keychain, 2 gold foiled washi, 25 sheets of this gorgeous filler paper, 11 different sets of sticky notes on this pad. And look at the back. So pretty. Your weekly menu with the dry erase pen. So this is everything that comes in the RongRon holiday box. It is a limited edition, so you want to make sure you head over to the website, which is shoprongrong.com, to grab yours. You can also find RongRon on Instagram at RongRon DeVoe Illustration, and we have a Facebook group as well called RongRon Art Fans, so make sure to check that out and request to join the private group, because we have lots of fun events that we do in there, and we just use that as a way of, you know, keeping up with our community and just getting to know each other, so it's super fun. The details for all of these items will be listed in the description box, along with a link for you to shop. And let us know, what is your favorite item from this box? How do you plan to use it? And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Happy holidays and take care.